Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just call it Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And in order to do that, I'm just going to talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, as far as the first question that really you need to ask yourself, because the big dynamic that's occurred since the last update I did is that the price is now broken down below this area of support right here at 8,500. The good news is at the time of this recording, it's not like it's been a total train wreck. I mean, the price is still within striking distance where it's a more than valid thought to have that, the price could probably get back above 8,500. Now, if the price was at 7,000, that's a little bit different thought to think, yeah, I think over the weekend it could get back above 8,500. But as I said, right now the price is within striking distance. So that is definitely question number one. Let's, we'll go with that Sunday afternoon example. So if you're watching this Sunday afternoon, question number one becomes, where is the price at relative to 8,500? If you're saying that the price is back up above it, then that's definitely a good thing. That would, be putting the price right back above this area of support. And if you are answering the question that the price is above 85, the next immediate question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 88? And 8,800 is essentially representing that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And if the price is up above that level, then that would imply that that 50-period moving average has been broken. And actually, as of now, I'm just going to get rid of that line there. We don't need too much clutter and confusion because really the two main levels going forward, like I said, are 8,500 and then that 50-period moving average, which again is that purple line there, which if you go through the history of things, you can see has knocked down the price quite a few times, including right there once again. So 8,500 and then that 8,800 area going to be the first couple levels from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support, and I do need to change this to right now to represent that near-term level of resistance. But as far as next potential areas of support, as I talked about in the previous video, that level is going to be right there at 8,250. So if you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is still down below 8,500, the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,250? And then this is where gut instincts and common sense comes into play, meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is, slightly below it right there. I mean, don't get me right or wrong. That's not a good thing. But if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down here, that's just that much worse. So in other words, the further down below 8,250 the price is, that just represents the more and more bearish the weekend has actually turned out to be. So like I said, gut instincts, common sense will take you far in that regard. But yeah, definitely the price continues to drift downwards, and we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around over the weekend or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.